Welcome back, cat babes, to another tutorial here on my channel. So today I thought I would do something a little different. This is gonna be, how do I put this, a little bit harder for me. I have not tried this yet, so we're gonna see how it goes. I've been looking at different pictures on Instagram where people are using tape. They'll put like a piece here and like a piece here, and they're doing like tri-level eye looks. So I thought I'd go ahead and give that a try because that seemed rather interesting. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this bad boy and see what we can create. You guys like my new backdrop? This is glitter fabric that I sell at my job, and it came in and I was like, oh my god, I gotta have it. So I bought this one and a black one. It's like black, goldish silver. And then I bought a couple different ones. I guess you're gonna have to wait and see. Yeah, so I did get some sun, as you can see. It's only a couple hours outside, but the more I'm out there, I'm hoping the more tan I can get. I like to tan. So, yeah. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and grab the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and we're going to go ahead and put that all on our eyelid. And then giving this lovely old Beauty Blender a spritz. Or a couple more, just so that it's workable. Go ahead and blend that in. Okay, and then go ahead and set it with the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder in the color called Sandstorm. Okay, so now that that part is good and done, we're going to go ahead and grab a couple of different pieces of tape. You can get tape from wherever. It doesn't have to be any kind of fancy tape. You can use surgical medical tape, like the stuff that you can get by the Band-Aids. That might be more to your liking versus tape because it's not going to rip hair. A lot of people get freaked out when they have to deal with tape around their eye, if this works. Okay, that should be okay. We'll just move this one. My eyes are a lot smaller than the people I've seen doing this, so this will be interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I know I've been using this one a lot, but like I said, it is one of my favorites, so we are gonna just go with it. And then going into the orange shade, which is the one right here, we're going to go ahead and use a Essence blending brush or packing brush, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to go ahead and start right up here in the crease zone. And then going in with the Jaclyn Hill 38 brush, we're going to go ahead and pick up the red shade, which is this one right here. and go right over the top of the orange that we just placed down. And the key to these looks, guys, like any other time that I've done a tutorial, blending. You have to make sure you blend. It may take you a couple minutes, but you just want to make sure you're blending it the best that you can. And then jumping back into the orange shade that we used, blend upwards. And then go back into the red shade. And then we're going to jump over and use the same colors from the James Charles palette, just because I want the colors to be a little bit more vibrant. We're going to use the same brushes, so don't worry. Just go ahead and wipe off the eyeshadow on a damp towel or one of those brush cleaners as you go. Alright, go ahead and take the tape off. And you're going to have something that looks like that. Don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. Okay. And then, going in, we're going to take the NYX eyeshadow base primer. Slightly, my friends, slightly clean up. We're going to pick up some of the orange shade and drag it straight down the middle. And then going in with our small dense brush that we were using for the red, go right up there and put some red. And then go back into the orange and blend down. And then it's going to look something like that. Going in with the liquid white eyeliner by NYX, we are going to do a little bit of outlining. This is going to be fun. So it turns out looking like this. I feel like it needs a little bit more white on this outside though. That's better. And then that's how that looks. We're gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright babes, so now that I have my face done, I figured I'd made that easy and did my other eye. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take one of the pieces of tape that we used on the lid. And we're gonna go ahead and wipe any excess eyeshadow off. And we're gonna go ahead and put that like right in here, like so, or just hold it there. And we're gonna take the orange shade and we're gonna blend out. And then we're gonna take the red shade and blend out with it. And keep rotating back and forth. Just be as gentle as possible. Go ahead and put some falsies on and do my eyebrows, and then we'll go ahead. Alright cat babes, now that I have my lashes on, my eyebrows done and everything, we're going to go ahead and use the Rimmel London Call Me Crazy lip liner in the color 104, and we're going to go ahead and line our lips and then fill them in as well. Alright, now that that is done, I almost lost it. We're going to go ahead and take the Halo Glow Lip Top Coat by Victoria's Secret. And this is the pink one. And we're going to go ahead. Put that over the top. And then, for the final finishing touch, we're going to go ahead and set our face. Ooh. And then take the clip out of our hair. Lift your hair up a little bit. And that, cat babes, is this final look for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this little rendition of art, I guess you could call it. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel, comment below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys!